When a jewelry box opens, the moment inside it can feel like part of the gift itself. Today, we focus on 4 emblematic luxury jewelry boxes, what they do well, and what every jewelry brand can learn from them. Tiffany. You know the moment that Robin's egg blue box tied with a white ribbon. It's simple, instantly recognizable, and emotionally powerful. People say seeing that blue is already half of the gift. Lesson. Color plus consistent brand cues create instant value. Cartier. Cartier's deep red leather box with gold accents and immaculate finishing reads like heritage. It signals legacy and status before the jewelry is even reviewed. Lesson. Material and finish can communicate brand history and premium positioning. Van Cleef and Arpels. Van Cleef uses delicate, sweet, and muted tones to frame fine jewels with quiet elegance. Their boxes are understated, letting the jewelry take center stage. Lesson. Restrained luxury, subtle texture, and interior presentation matter as much as the exterior. Mikimoto. For pearl jewelry, Mikimoto's refined white cases and soft interiors echo the product itself. Purity, light, and sea. Lesson. Align the packaging's tactile and visual language to the product's story. Those 4 examples show the pillars of memorable luxury packaging: distinct color or pattern, premium materials, and finishing. Interior layout that flatters the product, and the emotional unboxing ritual. But here is the reality for most jewelry brands. Few can or should replicate sterling silver or full leather cases at scale. What they need is packaging that looks and feels luxurious, is cost-effective, and works for wholesale production and brand consistency. That's where GUKA Packaging comes in. We specialize in custom paper-based rigid boxes for jewelry and lifestyle brands. Lift-off lid boxes, drawer boxes, flip-top, and foldable rigid boxes, plus precision inserts, velvet or flocked trays, EVA or foam cushions, molded pulp or cardboard compartments, and tailored ring rolls. On finishes, we offer soft-touch lamination, matte, and gloss UV, foil stamping, embossing, debossing, dot UV, edge gilding, and ribbon or magnetic closures, all ways to create the tactile premium cues customers associate with luxury. We also provide sustainable choices, recycled or FSC-certified boards and eco-friendly inks. As a factory direct partner with decades of production experience, we support sample runs and basic design help for first-time projects, and scale up to full production while keeping your brand identity consistent. Jewelry tells a story. Your packaging should tell it too. Want packaging that reads like luxury without robbing the bank? Contact GUKA. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more packaging insights.
Packaging built to impress.